Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making summer wine popsicles. They're so delicious and easy to make. So what's more to say? They're wine popsicles. Let's get started. So to start with, for our wine popsicles, what I have here is a cup and a half of Barefoot white wine, and then I have 1 cup of peaches, half a tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 cup of strawberries, and then half of the juice of 1 lemon. Also, the sugar is optional depending on how sweet you like your popsicles or drinks in general. You can be the deciding factor on that. So now all we have to do is blend it together. Okay, and today I have popsicle holders, but if you don't have this in your house, you can just use cute little glasses or whatever you have on hand. And then what I'm going to do, because I like having fresh as well as frozen, I'm going to take some fresh strawberries and just press them to the sides of the popsicle mold so that when you take it out, you have that beautiful strawberry. It smells so delicious, and also a lot of times I'll have leftovers of the juice and you can make this into a cocktail, put some Pellegrino in it, and it's just delicious. So now I'm going to go put this in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just because I found that sometimes when you put the popsicle sticks in right away, they'll get wonky and they'll move around instead of staying where I want them to. So I'm gonna go do that now. Oh, we're filming. Why, hello, these are quite delicious. So I've let my popsicles sit in the fridge overnight and I'm now just getting to enjoy one. And they're so delicious, so refreshing, and just perfect for that summer day. Always, if you are looking for the recipe, it will be listed down below or on my website. Thanks for watching.